Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. It's a classy red lip for this tutorial, and I'm doing this look on the lovely K. And of course, to start off this look, I'm going to go in with foundation first, as I normally do. And I'm using the cream foundation in shade C11. This is a full coverage foundation, and I'm using a traditional foundation brush to blend that out. So next I'm going into concealing and highlighting, and I'm continuing with another cream foundation, and I'm using one shade lighter, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of her face, and then I'm going to blend it out using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. So now I'm going to set her foundation. I'm starting off with a lighter dual powder in the center of her face to highlight, and then I'm going to go in with a dual powder that is her complexion, and set the rest of her face. So we're going to go in with the contour and highlight palette in dark, and I'm going to contour her forehead, not so much her cheeks because she already has really high cheekbones already, but I am going to bring that contour powder down and across the cheeks slightly above the hollow just to tone it down a bit, and then I'm going to go in with the highlight powder in the center of her face. So moving on to brows. Now Kay has really sparse brows, so I want to go in to fill and define her brows with our brow pencil in brunette. So now that I have the shape that I'm going for, I'm going in with some concealer to further define and shape her brow, and the concealer is also going to act as a highlighter. So you want to make sure to blend that concealer out, and then I'm going to set it with a translucent powder. To further add some density and thickness to her brow, I'm going in with a brow powder, and I'm just applying that with an angled brush. And lastly for brows, I'm going to set it with a brow mascara. On the cheeks, I'm using our blush in Curvy, which is a really pretty red blush with gold specks in it. I'm also going to apply that blush on her eyelids. I really love this blush. It works great as an eyeshadow as well. And I'm just going to define her eyes with our gel pencil in Black Caviar. We are going for winged eyeliner, and I'm also going to bring this pencil down to the lower waterline. And lastly for the eyes, we are going to finish off with a couple coats of mascara using our Intense Lash mascara to really lengthen and thicken her lashes. And now moving on to lips, I'm going to line and define her lips with our lip pencil in Rubus. And now I'm filling in her lips with Russian red lipstick. And here's the finished look, guys. Classic red lip with beautifully defined eyes. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the look.
Oh, I like it. I love the lipstick color. I like it a lot. This looks so you. What makes me confident in my skin is just being myself and just realizing that no one else can do it better than me. What I love about being a Black woman is our strength. We go through so much, we have to fight so hard, but we always stay true to ourselves and we always remember to laugh and have a good time. What would I tell my 12-year-old self about beauty? Don't mess with your eyebrows, leave them alone.